Hi, my name is Adam Nehos. I'm the founder for AquaSwift Water Technology. Today, I'm here to introduce to you to our latest project at University Malaya, where we have upgraded from their 3 horizontal sand filter to our only 1 AquaSwift Regenerative Precoat Filtration system. Okay, come follow me. As you can see, originally University Malaya swimming pool is using 3 horizontal filter, as you can see behind me. Each of their horizontal sand filter has 5 butterfly valves, acts as their valve manifold. Every time when they have to do backwash, they have to switch off the pump, and then they have to regulate the valve manifold in order to go into a backwash mode and switch on the pump. This process is done the same thing again to go into a rinse mode and also back to their filtration mode. This is only for 1 horizontal sand filter. Then they have to do 2 of their other horizontal sand filter as well. This process takes a very long time for them to do backwash and waste a lot of water. And the sand filter require big horsepower pump to run as well, and their filtration is limited as well. Therefore, they will have water quality issue when the pool is crowded as well. Okay. Therefore, today we have upgraded to our 1 unit of AquaSwift Regenerative Precoat Filter. This model that I have with me here can cater up to 350 cubic meter per hour flow rate. We have unit that can go up to 550 cubic meter per hour flow rate as well. Okay, as you can see, the system works in the concept of precoat filtration. We have the collection system inside. It's using a perlite media as compared to sand filter, which is using sand. Perlite media basically is a powder light which acts like a sponge. It will act to capture all the dirt. Once the perlite is dirty, it can revitalize back by going through the regeneration process that our system will go through by controlling the air bump system and also 2 pneumatic valves to go for the pre-coating process as well before going back to filtration mode. So how the system works? If you see from the side glass, that's the collection system. The perlite media is pre-coated, then the filtration process will take place. Once the system detects 12 psi from the influent and effluent of the piping, that shows your perlite media is already dirty and it has to go through regeneration process. This process is automatically driven by the PLC controller, which is to detect the 2 pressure gauge and also for safety function for high water pressure and also lack of air pressure alarm. Once it detects 12 psi, it will switch off the pump and it will start to do bumping for 10 times. Then it will regulate the 2 pneumatic valves in order to do a looping flow for the pre-coating process. After the preset of pre-coating process, the valve will automatically open and close for the pre-coating line in order to automatically go back to filtration mode. Okay, one thing to note about our system, all of these are automatically done. The only manual thing is to change the perlite media. For the perlite media, typically it will last from 1 to 3 months time. For a busy pool like water park, it will take every month to change it. For a public pool may take 2 months, or for a university pool that is less crowded will take up to 3 months for the perlite media to survive. Okay, to change the perlite media is very easy. The system will guide you how to change the perlite media, which involve by bump the system to release the perlite media and easily open the drain valve to drain the whole used up perlite media. Then we have a vacuum system which is used in order to suck the new perlite media from the perlite media bag and into the system. Once it's inside the system, we just need to fill up the whole system and go through the pre-coating process as guided by the PLC controller as well. Okay, so in summary, the system does not have backwash, therefore will save you up to 90%. The concept of pre-coating with perlite media will give you filtration down to 1 micron as recommended by multiple standards globally like WHO, US CDC and also Australia NSW standard. and the system has a very low head loss as well. As you can see here, is less than 10 psi. Therefore, compared to sand filter, we only need a smaller horsepower pump to run with our filter. And since we can capture more dirt in the pool, therefore our chlorine oxidation demand drop as well, and therefore you do not need high chlorine dosing consumption for your pool as well. Okay? And lastly, the system is automatically work by itself as well. Will you be interested in our system? Please do not hesitate to contact us at our contact information as shown below. I thank you for your time.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. Saya Azim daripada Nadim Aquatic Sdn Bhd. Dan saya adalah pool operator untuk kolam renang University Malaya.
Boleh kongsikan pengalaman selepas menggunakan Aquasif Regenerative Precoat Filter?
Okey, sepanjang kami menggunakan RPF ni daripada awal, sebelum kita pakai, kolam kerjanya ni agak kurang sebab bila kita dah pakai RPF ni, kita boleh nampak visibility sepanjang 50 meter tu daripada hujung ke hujung sangat clear, sangat jernih.
Okey. Bagaimana pula dengan jumlah penggunaan klorin?
Okay, untuk jumlah penggunaan klorin harian kami sepatutnya 7 kilo sehari normally. Tapi bila kita dah pakai RPF sistem ni, kita dapat kurangkan klorin sebanyak 2 kilo, iaitu kita pakai 5 kilo saja sehari.
Okey. Dari segi penggunaan air, perlu backwashing ke untuk filter ini?
Okey, sejak kita pakai filter sekarang ni, kita tak perlu backwash sebab sistem dia dah lain. So sangatlah jimat air.
Oh, okey. Okey, untuk maintain dia, saya percaya perlu vacuum kan?
Betul.
So, kekerapan vacuum masih sama ke?
Kita dapat kurangkan kekerapan. Macam dulu kita buat dalam 2 ke 3 kali seminggu. Tapi sekarang kita dapat buat sekali seminggu saja.
Okey. Terima kasih Azim.
Baik, sama-sama.